Mama, you've said something about this car before. I thought you were joking. Were you serious about it?
Yes.
Where are you going to get money from? Where is the car coming from?
It's not everything that you will know. Don't worry, the car will come. They will see. Be coming down. Leave these people. Useless people.
Like him mother, like him daughter. I don't want na mother na don't want. If a nene okwaya kona kusili waya zela don't want.
Where is your husband?
Is that how you greet people when you meet them the first time? Can't you greet very well? You don't have respect for your elders.
I have come for my money. For 7 months now, he has not remitted any money into my account from that truck. In fact, tell him to get ready to hand back the truck to me. I'm done doing business with your family. Failure to do so, you will attract my wrath, and I'm serious about it. As for you, get ready to account for the shop you secured for your mother at Ogige Market with my money. When the time is due, I'll come for it.
Did you hear him? No, did you hear what he just said? Mama, I smell trouble. Even I'm saying I miss trouble. I know what I am telling you. My instinct never lies to me.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.